back to the training. So guys, in this module I'll actually be showing you guys how to receive an order from client. Like when you receive an order, like when you send the custom offer to the client and then the client accept the offer, I'll be showing you guys the page in which Fiverr will actually take you to. Okay, I'll be showing you some basic things you just have to understand. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get started. So this is the account I actually use for the conversation. So I will just go to my account, just click on that, click on my account over here. So let's just wait for that to load up. Wait for that to load up. I think I have, okay, I think I've actually opened the tab down. Let me just click on this. Let's wait for that to load up. Okay, so here we are in my dashboard. This is actually on my account. So now, so when you receive an order, for example, you have actually sent a custom offer to the client. Okay, when you send custom offer to the client and then the client accepts the offer, so Fiverr will show you a page like this. So I'll actually click on my completed order that I've actually done for this client, for the client I actually showed you in the previous module. So the client name is Allison. So I've actually completed 2 orders for the client. One is $90 and one is $60. So I'll just view this order. Let me just view it now. Let me view this order. So this is actually the order I completed for this client. So I'm actually done completing the order. That is why you see here it says complete order complete, you earn $72. Though the actual price of the project is $90, but Fiverr remove 20% of everything you make on their platform, okay, as their own money, okay, as their own commission, right? So now what I was telling the other time, that the quantity of the job is 1, the duration is 4 days, and the amount is what? $75. And then when I deliver this job, this client give me $15 tips, and you see she tipped me $15, and I'm very, very grateful for that. So now when you send a custom offer, let me just go back to the chatting box now here. So let me just go to any of the one I actually used the other time. Let me see something. So let me search for that. I just wait for that. Okay, this is it. So now when you send the customer offer, I know I send the customer and say he accepted it. When I view this order now, this is where it will take me to, this place over here. But there will not be order complete, okay, when you have not completed the order. It is when you have completed the order that you have order complete. Okay, so when I actually view the order, then that I have not actually completed this project, now you will see the time. The time will be taken over here. Like it will start immediately, it will be reading, it will be decreasing right from seconds to minutes and hours. Okay, depends on the number of duration that you select. So it will be reading right from that day that the client accepts the offer. Hope that is clear, guys. So when you view the order, you'll be able to chat with the client in this order page. This is the order page where you and the client can chat. Okay, so you'll be able to chat with the order. So I actually chat with Allison on this order page. So I said thanks for the order, and then I think your picture will be fine, and then blah blah like that. So he said I don't have one really. Okay, so and that is that. So we chat that in this view order page. So when you are done with the order, you are done completing the project for the client. So and then it is time for you to deliver your project to your client. So what you're gonna do is to come down. If you come down to the downside of this, actually deliver more than one time to this client. So if you actually, let me scroll up again. Okay, so now look at this. It said here is your delivery. So this is when I actually deliver to her. Let me see if that delivery box will be down, so you guys will get what I'm saying. Let me see if that delivery box will be down. So let's just wait for that to load up. Okay. Is it there? No. If it is not there, that is to tell you, okay, now, okay, order is complete. Click here to contact. Okay, it is not there due to the fact that I've actually delivered this order and this order is completed. That is the reason why you are not seeing anything like deliver now, because when you are done with the project, okay, this is how it will look like. Let me just describe it for you. For example, before I actually deliver, let me show you the one I actually, the first, this is my first delivery. Now before I actually deliver, there will be a small box, a small space where you can actually put your text. For example, can you see I said thank Alison for the order, and then when I deliver, this place says here is your delivery, this order will be marked as completed in 3 days. Then I say thanks for your order, then I say due to the Fiverr watermark on the design, when you download it, when you download it on Fiverr, I have uploaded all the design on my Google Drive, so blah blah. So this is my delivery to her. I deliver it, so there will be there will be a boss. Let me see, maybe it's up, it's not there. Although I'll still be showing you guys. The reason why it's not there is because I've actually completed this order, so just get that clear. So there will be a little box down here where it will say deliver now. So all you just have to do is to input everything you want to input. When you click on deliver now, that box will appear. Then you write whatever you want to write. Then you attach the document. Can you see there will be an attached link? Okay, like this. There will be an attached link like this, this little thing right here. This thing right here. There will be it will be there in that little box, or that your delivery box. So you just upload all the document that you want to deliver to the client, and then you put your text right there. Then you click on deliver now. So when immediately you click on deliver now, the time that it's actually reading, that I told you the other time that the time will actually be reading here. So the time that it's actually reading will stop reading. Okay, it will actually stop reading. So when you deliver it, and then the client will come back. When the client now sees it and then is pleased with it, then like, she said thank you, I had a question, can I access each of the image individually? It looks like they are all in one place. So she will actually look at it, and then if the client is pleased with it, so she can now accept it. Okay, but if she is not pleased with it, she can actually tell you to redo it again, like do some revisions on what you deliver. Okay, it also happened in the case of me and Alison. Okay, so there's no big deal with that. Okay, so what the client will just tell you is to do some revision on the work again. So when you re-edit the job on your computer or whatever, and then you deliver it again. That is just what it means. So now I deliver to her again. Then she said I need to do some corrections. So she listed everything down. So I delivered again. So she listed some corrections again. I deliver again. She listed some corrections again. Then I deliver. I think this is the last delivery. No, that's not the last. This is the last delivery. Then I deliver. This is my last delivery to her. Then say, can you please supply the correct link? Thank you. So I supply the correct link to her. So when she's done with everything, and then she accepted the job, so we are done with everything. So now there's what we call review. You know, I said the other time that review simply means the number of jobs that you have actually done on Fiverr, and then client will actually give you 5-star review depending on how you and the client relationship really are, because there are some people that they don't really build a relationship with clients. So what I will encourage you to do is that make sure you build a strong relationship with them, so that when you are done with their project, they can actually review you, give you a good review, 5-star review. And then don't be surprised when some client did not actually review you, because some of them can be new to Fiverr platform for the first time, and then they don't really understand how the platform works, so they can just accept the project and then they can just go. Okay, that does not mean that they do not really like what you deliver to them, but they don't really know that probably it's really involved in giving review or whatever like that. So you get my point. So that's just that. There are some clients that don't really actually know that. Okay, so this client actually reviewed me, and he said good at responding in timely manner and complete all the revision. Also very creative and provide great ideas for my social media kit. I would work with this seller again. I would recommend. And his communication with sellers. So she gave me 5-star review in communication. Service as described, 5-star review. Buyer again or recommendation, 5-star review that she can also recommend me again. Then I say your feedback means a lot to me many times. So I also as a seller too, you also be you also give their client the buyer a review too. So I also review her. Thank you so much for being a client for a long time now. Thank you again. She's a great client. Wonderful communications, helpful cooperation. I'm looking forward to working with her. Great relationship and wonderful passion. So that is that about that. So I just also leave my own review, and then she give me 5 star. She give me $15 extra fee. Okay, she just tipped me with $15 extra fee, and then I said thank you for providing creative. Okay, she said thank you for providing creative agency and help me with projects since I am new to this. Just start out. Okay, so thank you for providing creative imagery and helping me with this project since I am new to this and just starting out. Then say thank you. So that is that all about that. So that is how I actually complete the job for these clients, and then I deliver it the right way. Okay, so you can see $90, but Fiverr took their commission, so I ended up getting $72. You will still be the one getting most of the money. Okay, Fiverr is just removing a little out of what you get. Okay, that is just it. Okay, I made $90. Fiverr remove like $15, right? So I'm still the one making, so I still make $72. Okay, so let me show you the second order. Let me show you the second order. Let me just go to my dashboard again. I'll show you the second order. So same thing applicable to any order you receive from Fiverr. Okay, so let me just show you the second order that I've actually completed for her. So let's just wait for that to load up and then continue from there. Okay, now so I will just come here to active order. So any order you complete that you have actually complete on Fiverr, you actually be under let me actually, okay, wait, Fiverr said we should confirm something here to continue. Let me actually check that and we can continue with our training. So so any order you complete on Fiverr will actually be under active order. So you see I've actually complete order, so you come here to complete. If you cancel any order, it will be under here. So let me enter on complete when I've actually completed. So this is the one of $90, this is one of $60. So I'll actually click on view order. So I'll just view this order now. So let's just wait for that to load up and then we'll continue from there. So here we are. So this is the second order. Actually this is the first one. You see, the one of $60 is the first one, the one of $90 is the second one. So I ended up getting $48, and then Fiverr took their commission fee. Hope that is clear. So this is my delivery for the client. So he said I have the tree mode. So she sent what she want me to redesign for her, the way she want the logo to be. So she sent everything to me. Then I say this is the name of the notation, viral awareness. So instead of it's vital when it's actually the mistake. So he sent me everything, the specification that I should use in the logo, blah blah blah. So then I deliver the logo for her. Can you see? I actually deliver a lot of logo design, a lot of templates, or that. And then one thing again is that when you are delivering, if you offer logo design on Fiverr, when you are delivering your project or order, make sure you deliver it in the form of mock-up way. Like make the design in use. Okay, for example, look at this. I actually put this in a frame. Okay, I just put this logo in a frame. Check this out again. I actually put it in another well used frame. Look at this. This is another one I actually designed for again. So I told you I designed various variations of design for her. Look at this again. She even liked this one. I even how to sell this one for her. I just give her for free. Check this one out again. Check this one out. Several templates. So those are all the templates I actually send to her, and then these are all the type of format that I send to her. So can you see it is not really some kind of simple job. So make sure you you put in your effort, okay, just for the client to trust you. Okay, so we chat and chat and chat and chat. So I deliver to her. I deliver to her again. Let me see if I actually have another delivery here. Okay, then I made another one again. I think I delivered, then they say order completed. So when you are done with everything and then she accepted it, then you're going to see something like order completed. You get my point? So if the order is completed, that's to tell you that you are done with the job, and then the client, if the client will contact you again, so that will be on another project. Hope that is clear, guys. So that is how you're gonna view order on Fiverr, and then you can also chat with the client on your order page, as I have also chat with this client right here. Okay, hope that is clear. And then the duration here is 3 days, and then $60. Then the quantity of job is 1. Okay, so that is that about that. So let me say something again. If, for example, if the numbers of days of the duration that you select is 3 days, and then you were unable to complete the job in 3 days, so you can also extend the number of days. Okay, so all you just have to do is to tell the client that the reason why you have to extend it, and then so when you want to extend it, just come here to here that says visit resolution center. Just click on visit resolution center, and then you can set everything you want to set. Okay, so now this order is completed. Due to the fact that this order is completed, I cannot do any editing on the resolution center. Hope that is clear. So but for you, all you just have to do is to click on the resolution center, and then it will bring all the options. So it will tell you to say the reason why you want to extend the number of days. They say you should say the reason to your client, and then it will tell you to choose the number of days you want to extend it, period. And then you just click on send. So when you click on send, so the client will see it. So when the client accepts it, then you can carry on with the job. That is just as simple as ABC. Okay, so that is basically how you can actually view your order on Fiverr, receive your order, send the custom offer. So there's not really a big deal to that. So if you think the number of days, if you're unable to complete the project, the job with the number of days selected at the initial, just come into resolution center, re-edit everything, increase the number of days, and then you are good to go. So when you're done with the project, and then it's time for you to deliver. As I have said earlier, you see the delivery bump downside right there on Fiverr, and then what you're going to do is to click on, you will see click on deliver now. So when you click on the deliver now, a little box will appear. Then you can type whatever thing you want to type, and then you click on deliver now. So when you deliver now, then you will see, so it will appear something like this, like here is your delivery. So and then what you actually deliver will be right there. So it will be in the description. How you actually type it will be right there, and then when the client sees it, and then the client is happy with it, so the client will accept it. Okay, if the client is not actually happy with it, that he needed to do some revision, it's going to send you that he needs you to do some revision. So when you are done doing the revision, you come back again, you deliver again, and then when the client accepts it, then you are good to go. So the client will just give you a review, and then you review the client back. It is not all clients that actually give tips. Okay, some clients do not actually give tips. Okay, if they give you tip, that means you are lucky, and then if they do not give you tips, all the best. Okay, so guys, that's actually how you can actually view order on Fiverr, receive your order the right way, resolution centers to actually increase your numbers of delivery, resolution center. Hope you guys get that. So that is that all about that. So before I actually go, let me actually show you the earnings in this account. So to tell you that, guys, you can actually make money on Fiverr. So I don't really use this account. Most of my accounts I don't really actually use them. I actually have 2 accounts that I'm actually using permanently, but all these ones are just the one I've actually used before, and then I actually make money from them. Okay, so let me actually show you. I think I have like $120 in this account, if I'm not mistaken. I have $120 in this account. So guys, you can actually make money on Fiverr if you can follow my step, and then make sure you put your work, make sure you are consistent. Okay, that is just the point. Can you see net income after I make $120, and then withdrawn? I've actually withdrawn all the $120 to my Payoneer account. I'll still be showing you guys how you can actually receive money on Fiverr. Let me actually say, let's say $120 times, let's say 381 to my Nigerian currency. Let's just put that's 45,720. Okay, just for this client, just offering just 2 services that does not even require any stress. Okay, that is that all about that. So guys, you can actually make money on Fiverr. With that said, so in the next module, guys, I'll actually be showing you some other things that you need to understand about Fiverr. So thank you very much, guys. Stay tuned. I keep hustling strategically. Bye now, guys.